you a little example this year of where we did a prescription map off a satellite image, just so you can get a bit of an idea how quick and easy this is to do. Let me just share my screen. This was the image date we used back in June 15th. You can also search back through the dates now on the DataFarming platform, where you can click that little calendar button down the left there. It will bring up all of the available satellite image dates for you, or you can just grab your latest one if you're in mid-season. What I've done here is looked at the satellite image, and a normal NDVI is what we provide for free. It sort of shows the differences, but it doesn't really extract those differences. And often we'll use other indexes like the NDRE, which is a red edge, normalized difference red edge index, a bit more for nitrogen, or even in the plant cell density PCD index. And you'll see in this case, the PCD really highlights those differences between the good and the bad areas. And there certainly are some big differences in this field. This is a crop of barley. I think I mentioned that, where we did plant growth regulator, and that'll be on another video. Plus, we're doing variable nitrogen. So we just all you need to do is go, I want to create a prescription map, and then you step through the process there of creating that map. But I'd just like to show you the outputs of that, what we found. This is the particular map that we did here, and when I re-click back on that map, I can see, and I go into edit, I can see all the different variable rates that I needed in that field. So because the crop was struggling and waterlogged in these poor areas, we're putting on 120 kilos urea, 100 kilos urea in these lower areas, and then 80 and 60 respectively in the good and the very good areas of the field. So it's very quick and simple to do that. It's simple as I want to create a prescription map. You're going to call it VRN, VR nitrogen, and we want to create it on our PCD. You can zone it on a range of other factors, but on our PCD, and that was the 15th of, just let it load up, the 15th of June. Declared free image, and you can just select like three different zones at 50 meter res or 25 meter res. You pick the resolution based on what you're applying it at. So if it's a spreader, it's probably okay to spread it out this sort of wide, or if it's a spray, you might want to go a bit narrower. So what it's doing there is it's automatically splitting up that image into different zones. And again, you can just click between those. I might go 4 zones and 50 meters, or I want to smooth it out a little bit more. Let's go out to 100 meters. So you can see how that's smoothed out that map quite considerably. So it depends on the paddock and what you're trying to achieve, but yeah, that's how you do that. So we went with 4 zones, click next, and you just add your rates into here. And once you've done that, you can add that to your cart. You can either pay per hectare, or if you have a pro subscription, it's unlimited. So thanks for watching. Just thought I'd let you know of how we created a prescription map, and you can pretty much create this in under a minute. And if you have a subscription, you can do multiple fields at once as well. So thanks for watching. Any issues, always please reach out, and support at datafarming.com.au will help you out. Thank you.